Hello, hello. My people, my Biafran people, I greet you all. Welcome. You're welcome back to Onyayala Nwanne Media. Facebook, please permit us to use the music and songs that we have selected for today. My people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night to some of you, wherever we may be around the globe at this particular time. Today is August 24, 2023. Tabo echi ọnwa asatọ gbara ọgụ abalị na anọ, that's iri abụọ na anọ, n'ime afọ puku abụọ iri abụọ na atọ. Ụbọchị taa bụ ahịa Eke. Today is Eke Market Day, and we pray that Eke will bring us good fortune, and Eke will remove everything that is evil from us. I thank you, my brothers and my sisters, for joining this broadcast at this particular time. And today we do not have a lot to say or much to, talk about. But we have come. I'm here today. I'm still your sister and your daughter, Nwada Rosemary Williams, the Amazon. I am here today to ask Cain, where is your brother? Just like the Creator, our God, asked Cain, where was his brother Abel? As we can see, when you go to Genesis chapter 4, verse 9, that's where you get that question. Cain, where is your brother Abel? And Cain replied that he was not in a question form, am I the guardian or protector of my own brother? So today we have come to ask the Igbo politicians and the Biafran people, where is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Today we have come to ask, where is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Because for over 1 year now, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has never, either partially or fully come out to the public view. Nobody has seen a glimpse of him. And people keep running around. Everybody keeps telling us what they discussed with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And then when two people agree on being, working together, collaborating together to say they are working for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, this is what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu say. And then they will come out, they say, yes, this person is working, is the one seeing Mazi. And the other one says, oh, yeah, me and the other person are the ones seeing Mazi. But when they have loggerhead, when they are fighting, then they say, he never see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for at least how so months that they have to put out there. Oh, this person have stopped seeing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu so long. They are no longer working for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. But when they are friends, when they are pali, they come, they connive, they conspire, they bring us one information or the other, and they say that that's what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is saying. So, but in the real sense, we do not know who actually is seeing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu or who is not seeing him. But unless somebody who do not have the mind of their own, if you have the mind of your own, just like I do, and I can, think clearly and say, where is my brother and my leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? And when people come out and give me, all those their whatever information they say they got from him, I will be able to discern which one is true and which one is false. Just like Barrister Aloy Ejimako came out last month and early this month and was screaming. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said that you should stop talking about him. You should stop agitating for him and for Biafra. You should stop antagonizing the Nigerian government and the Igbo governors. You should do this, you should do that. I listened to Barrister Aloy Ejimako. I said, really? If I did not know Mazi Nnamdi Kanu very well from following him and listening to his teachings and his preachings to us, maybe I would be confused. But I knew that that was a fallacy, because that was not the tone of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Even if they had been giving him all these poisonous injections to make him, lose his conscience and consciousness. No, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that we know will never say anything like those cock and bull stories Barrister Ejimako brought out. Whoever that supported it, just like Canon Takano said, yes, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said those things. I said, really? That was not true. I know my leader and my brother, and I know the kind of things he will say and the kind of things that he will not say. So today, I want to ask them, Cain, where is your brother? Cain, ele nwanne gị. I will call all of them by name, and I will ask them, where is their brother? Where is our brother? Where is their son, their cousin, their relatives? I will ask, where is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? We are asking for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for over 1 year. We have not seen him. For over 1 year, all we hear is that he was sick, he was this, he was that. Now, I want to ask, where is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Where is your brother? Kenele nwanne gị. Kenele nwanne abụm onye nche nwanne. Ewo abụm na-ajụm abụm onye nche nwanne m. Kenele nwanne abụm onye nche nwanne. Ewo abụm na-ajụm abụm onye nche nwanne m. Okeziele nwanne abụm onye nche nwanne. ewo abụ m na-ajụ m abụ m onye nche nwanne m abara ibele nwanne abụ m onye nche nwanne m ewo abụ m na-ajụ m abụ m onye nche nwanne m ọjụ ụzọ kalụ ele nwanne abụ m onye nche nwanne m ewo abụ m na-ajụ m abụ m onye nche nwanne m eleksoti ele nwanne abụ m onye nche nwanne m ewo abụ m na-ajụ m abụ m onye nche nwanne m Kanu nta ele nwanne abụ m onye nche nwanne m ewo abụ m na-ajụ m abụ m onye nche nwanne m hopu ele nwanne abụ m onye nche nwanne ewo abụ m na-ajụ m abụ m onye nche nwanne m Cain ele nwanne abụ m onye nche nwanne ewo abụ m na-ajụ m abụ m onye nche nwanne m Cain ele nwanne abụ m onye nche nwanne m ewo abụ m na-ajụ m abụ m onye nche nwanne m Rochas ele nwanne abụ m onye nche nwanne m ewo abụ m na-ajụ m abụ m onye nche nwanne m ihe dị ọha ele nwanne abụ m onye nche nwanne m ewo abụ m na-ajụ m abụ m onye nche nwanne m Soludo ele nwanne m abụ m onye nche nwanne m ewo abụ m na-ajụ m abụ m onye nche nwanne m Willobian ele nwanne abụ m onye nche nwanne m ewo abụ m na-ajụ m abụ m onye nche nwanne m Ifeanyi ugwu anyị ele nwanne abụ m onye nche nwanne ewo abụ m na-ajụ m abụ m onye nche nwanne m Ifeanyi ụba ele nwanne abụ m onye nche nwanne m ewo abụ m na-ajụ m abụ m onye nche nwanne m Devumahi ele nwanne abụ m onye nche nwanne m ewo abụ m na-ajụ m abụ m onye nche nwanne m Francis Nwifuru ele nwanne abụ m onye nche nwanne m ewo abụ m na-ajụ m abụ m onye nche nwanne m Peter Mba ele nwanne abụ m onye nche nwanne m ewo abụ m na-ajụ m abụ m onye nche nwanne m Nyesom Wike ele nwanne abụ m onye nche nwanne m ewo abụ m na-ajụ m abụ m onye nche nwanne m Iwu anyanwụ ele nwanne abụ m onye nche nwanne ewo abụ m na-ajụ m abụ m onye nche nwanne m Ọhaneze ele nwanụ abụ m onye nche nwanne m ewo abụ m na-ajụ m abụ m onye nche nwanne m Ala Igbo ele nwanne abụ m onye nche nwanne m ewo abụ m na-ajụ m abụ m onye nche nwanne m Biafra ele nwanụ abụ m onye nche nwanne ewo abụ m na-ajụ m abụ m onye nche nwanne m Cain ele nwanne abụ m onye nche nwanne ewo abụ m na-ajụ m abụ m onye nche nwanne m Igbo governors ele nwanne na nwoke Igbo governors, where is your brother? Where is your son? Ala Igbo, where is your son? Ọhaneze ndị Igbo, where is your son? Where is your brother? Where is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Who is holding Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? And I believe everybody has been pointing hand that it's you people, because all of you connived and kidnapped him. You people sold your own son. It's abomination. You sold your own son. You sold Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Igbo governors, Igbo political elites. Where is your son, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? You people want him to die in the dungeon? You don't want to ask for him? Or you are parading yourself or yourselves up and down, saying that we should stop the sit at home, that we should not talk about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that we should stop talking about Biafra. Shame on you all. All of you, shame, 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 shame to all of you. All of you that I have mentioned their name, asking for, where is your brother? Where is your brother? You are all, worthless, because you sold your own brother. You sold your own brother for a coin. You sold your own brother. Since you sold Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, where has life been treating you? Even Abaribe, you sold your own brother, your own son. How have life been treating you since then? Shame. It's a shameful thing. All of you. Release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He did nothing to you. And I will talk about this. This one, I did not make it. I saw this news. It says, breaking. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu says AC unit, his cell, has hidden poisonous thing. The AC unit, the air condition they put inside Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's room, they put some poison inside it that has been breathing it, and it has been deteriorating his hearing and causing him, all these sicknesses he's having inside him. They put that poison in the AC in his room, in the gadget. And people are parading themselves. They want him to die in the prison, but no. We don't want that. Bring him out. And for people saying, oh, if something happened to Mazi, do that thing you want to do now. Something has already happened to him. A lot of things have already happened to him. He's been caged. Even when the Nigeria judicial system said, release him, he is innocent, he's still being held captive. There's so much that is being happening to him. He do not have freedom for himself. That's a lot of things. Even all of us that are walking freely, we are still screaming, freedom, freedom, freedom. How much more somebody that is being caged in some place, hold incommunicado? There's so much that is being happening to him. We say, release him. Release him. He's innocent. I will show you this. I did not make the news, but this is the actual news that came up, and I believe it's all over the internet. It's all over the Twitter. It's all over every news that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has cried out. He said that they put poison in the gadget, in the AC unit in his room. They put poison in it that he's been inhaling, and it's messing him up. Why would they do that? Why would they not let him go? Why is it that we have not seen a glimpse of him? We have not seen him. come out to the public. We have not seen him come out to the court. We have not seen him anywhere. They lock him up. Why? What is the motive behind that? And last year, we all had last year, when it was rumored that the Nigerian government was inventing an imposter to mimic and make a look-alike like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, just like they did for the dead Buhari. Nobody confirmed it and nobody denied it. The rumor was not confirmed and the rumor was not denied. And ever since that time till today, nobody has seen Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu still there? That's what we are asking. That's what we are asking. When they bring the imposter, we don't know which one is which. We need to see our brother come out. Because no matter how much imposter you do, no matter how much you do it, we know Mazi when we see him. We will know. I will go ahead and show this clip, and I will want everybody to listen.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Gospel News. We are back again with more update on us. It take the go, and you can see that our screen don't full with ogbonge information. Will be what you need to hear on us. It take the go. Let's start with the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, will be Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They say, while I don't boss out for your own side, do we can't the ask and say, wait, it happen. He say, be like say, he get wetin they don't hide. Put for the AC when they for where in the Mona saying here. Detention room, IPOB leader Kano alleges AC unit has hidden gadget. Una the same nine be this one, no, nine the latest update when would they see? Nine be this one, no. He say, be like say the DSS and the Tinubu government won't hide something where they take the spy am inside that room. Say anything when they do, then they see them, they no one making get in own freedom. So while I don't know the finish, now waiting in tell the lawyers will come visit them. And they say that while I also boss out for Port Harcourt, River State capital.
They hide something. The DSS and their Nigerian government, they hide something in that gadget. And that thing is not only spying on him, but also had a poisonous substance that it's, circulating. And Mazi is breathing on it. They want to deteriorate him more than they have already done. But they should pray that nothing happens to our leader. Because we know what they are doing. We know what they are doing. Putting poison where he is staying and circulating it with the AC as if they have given him something. Spying on him and gradually emitting some poisonous substances for him to inhale. And the Igbo governors, the Judases that sold their own blood for a coin, they are relaxing. None of them want to talk about the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu because he is blocking things for them. Since Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, for over 2 years, he is being in captive. How have life been treating each and every one of you? Have you been better Did you grow taller? Did you grow bigger or thinner? I think you still be, whenever you come out, you'll still the same. Whatever amount of money they gave you that you think you have money, nobody know that you have money, because all we see is anytime you come, those of you that have stomach like this, you are still going like this. You can never maintain your shape. You are all out of shape. And those of you that are short, you never grow taller. Those of you that are taller, you never grow shorter. That's all we see. You don't know how much money you have, because the money is not even, it's not even showing anywhere in our Igbo. Foolish people. We continue with what is happening to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu.
So Abakaleke people, erigo no, onye eriri erigo ya, Modieje don't chop on a raw, na be that one. So that one don't happen. We say it don't happen. Before Odumeje go enter any.
We are not talking about Odumeje. We are talking about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu.
There is no any healing that comes. Tell us whether.
I have to find him. I'm not interested in Odumeje. I'm interested in Mazi Nnamdi Kanu.
They claim prophet and prophetess them. Some of them know they even brush mouth. If you not hear the kind.
It's still showing me Odumeje. Let me go, because I'm going to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. We want to know what is happening to our leader, Mazi Nnamdi
Kanu. And in Owerri, through his led counsel, Ifeanyi Ejiofor, shortly after the routine visit to Kanu at the detention facility of SSS in Abuja.
Okay. Just a minute.
Break your waist, break your leg, I beg you. May we proceed. Indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB Nnamdi Kanu on Monday alleged that the AC unit in the detention facility of the State Security Services, SSS, has harmful gadgets hidden in it. Wahala don't bust out to Kanu disclosed this to newsmen in Owerri through his led counsel Ifeanyi Ejiofor shortly after the routine visit to Kanu at the detention facility of SSS in Abuja. The IPOB leader said he was raising an alarm because the hidden gadget in the AC unit led to the ear problem he developed while in the detention facility of the SSS. To end this ear problem, among other health challenges, he called for inspection of the cell to be done through a request to a magistrate court. According to the IPOB's lawyer statement, Ejiofor said the air conditioner AC unit in Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's cell is an espionage AC with gadgets hidden inside it. This is largely responsible for the ear problem he is presently experiencing, which is further worsened by the beatings and severe torture he was subjected to in Kenya before his extraordinary rendition to Nigeria. Onyendu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu consequently directed that we should request for the inspection of his cell by a magistrate in line with the provisions of the Administration of Criminal Justice Act 2015. That he, Onyendu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, wishes to respectfully draw the attention of the Lord Justices of the Supreme Court to the provisions of Supreme Court Practice Directions 2013 Criminal Appeals, which is intended to eliminate unnecessary delay in the hearing of criminal appeals. It is even more so in the instant case where Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is now being detained in an unprecedented manner after he had been freed by the Court of Appeal. The Supreme Court is respectfully urged to stand on the provisions of its practice directions to fix a date for the expeditious hearing of the federal government appeal against his freedom and liberty. It is indeed unfortunate that because of one man, Nigeria is destroying all the safeguards contained in her laws because of the selfish desire to detain Mazi Nnamdi Kanu illegally. Sadly, the government now determines who is guilty and no longer the courts. The sanctity of judicial pronouncement has been destroyed because of this inordinate desire to punish one man. Indeed, there was a country, he said. He, among other things, said, why is the federal government of a country of over 200 million people afraid of one man's case? A federal government that has all the security apparatus at its disposal. A federal government which invaded Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's house in Afaruku, Ibeku, and killed over 28 innocent civilians. A federal government that criminally abducted Mazi Nnamdi Kanu from Kenya and extraordinarily renditioned him to Nigeria. What exactly are they afraid of? Now, waiting Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they ask here, saying that the AC where they inside we are in the steel, say they don't poison that AC. Say waiting they come out from that AC, they very harmful, and now in the cause way make and get that ear problem when in the face for DSS detention as we speak today. That he only.
You people have heard him. You people have heard him. We are talking about the poison, the poisonous substance that the DSS and their Nigerian government have connived to place inside Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's room, and they hid it in his AC, in the air-conditioned gadget, air-conditioned, you know, because of the heat and everywhere, and that's a federal prison. Maybe the gadget of the AC that is inside his room, that's where these people went and hide that poisonous substance. And that poisonous substance is killing him slowly. He's inhaling it, it's circulating poison. And you have heard the message that our leader said that this poison is responsible for all the ill health that he's having and the deterioration of his ear problem, which after they hit him so hard when they were torturing him, the things that they were hitting him left and right on his both ears, now has given him this ear problem. But with this poison that they have in his cell where they are keeping him in Abuja, that is causing him more health problem, not only for his ear but for his intestinal organs. So we want these people to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. We want them to release him, not just to remove the poison. They have to remove the poison, and still they have to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is innocent. And the Nigerian courts, the Nigerian judicial system have said in October 13, 2022, they said that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is innocent and he was discharged and acquitted. So why are they still holding him? Let them release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Let them release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is innocent. And that's what we are talking about. He did nothing to them, and they should not hold him down. They should not hold him down for any reason, because he did nothing to them. So you have heard him. You have heard him that whatever they put inside his room is what is causing him health problem. And we want them to take away those things from his room so that he can be free. We don't want him to be sick. Staying there alone is too much, let alone when they are also making him, more sick.
State Security Services (SSS) has harmful gadgets hidden in it. Wahala don burst out. Kanu disclosed this to newsmen in Owerri through his lead counsel Ifeanyi Ejiofor shortly after the routine visit to Kanu at the detention facility of SSS in Abuja. The IPOB leader said he was raising an alarm because the hidden gadget in the AC unit led to the ear problem he developed while in the detention facility of the SSS. To end this ear problem, among other health challenges, he called for inspection of the cell to be done through a request to a magistrate court. According to
the magistrate court that we are going to call for this request is still the magistrate court that gave orders for him to be released, and are still holding him captive. So which one are we looking at? Is it the same magistrate court that gave orders for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to be released, and are still holding him hostage and captive? So that's what we are talking about, because Nigeria has no law. Nigeria has no judicial system. Their judicial system is, it's null and void, because they have no capacity and capability to make judicial judgment. Nigerian government, or Nigerian as a country, has no judicial system, because their judicial system is null and void. They cannot make their own judgment. They will only read the script the government asks them to read. Whoever that is the president of Nigeria is the chief judge of Nigeria, because what he asks the judges and the people that I can use the so-called judges in Nigeria. The so-called judges in Nigeria should be ashamed of themselves, because none of them can make a judgment without the government or the governor or the president of that country, Nigeria, telling them, giving them the script of what to read. That's why we are saying that they do not have anything called that. So my people, like I said at the beginning, there was nothing much to talk but to come and ask all these Ifajunas, to come and ask all these Cain, all these Cain among us, all these Ifajunas among us. We came to ask them, where is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? And we want them to tell the whole world what they have done with their own brother, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And there is, after that, I also let you people know that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has raised alarm from the DSS detention, wherever they put him, and he said they have a poisonous element put or attached to his air condition that blow and circulate air where he is, and that is just to make his health issues worse. And he has called for examination, for investigation to be carried out. Unfortunately, the magistrate court and all those things that he is requesting from, they are still part of the people that don't know what to do, because our so-called judges and whatever they call themselves, elite or non-elite, They lost it. They have no power in Nigeria. They can only say or read out the script the government of Nigeria asks them to read. And if the government of Nigeria asks them not to read it, then there is nothing they can do. Look at what is happening between Peter Obi and the Jagaban Tinubu. It's still the same. I still remain your sister and your daughter, Nwada Rosemary Williams, aka the Amazon. Thank you, my people, for listening. Holy, holy, Nnamdi Kanu is another savior.